everyone! Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we will learn how to use these and those along with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. This is an important topic that will help you in everyday conversations. Let's get started! Section 1. Understanding these and those. These refers to plural objects that are near us. Example: these are my books. The books are close to me. Second, those refers to plural objects that are far from us. Example: those are your shoes. The shoes are far from me. Section 2. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show ownership and come before a noun. The common possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Examples: these are my friends. The friends are close to me. Another example: those are their cars. The cars are far from me. Section 3. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns replace nouns and show ownership. The common possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Examples: these clothes are mine. The clothes are close to me. Another example: those flowers are yours. The flowers are far from me. Section 4. Combining these and those with possessive forms. Now, let's see how we can combine these concepts. Examples: these are my pencils. Using these with a possessive adjective. Another example: those are her hats. Using those with a possessive adjective. Another: these pencils are mine. Using these with a possessive pronoun. Last example: those hats are hers. Using those with a possessive pronoun. Section 5. Practice exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences using these or those. First one: are my friends. These are my friends. Second one: are your toys. Those are your toys. Exercise 2. Choose the correct possessive adjective. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjective. First one: phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Second one: are books on the table? Are our books on the table? Exercise 3. Rewrite with possessive pronouns. Rewrite the sentences using possessive pronouns. First one: these are my keys. These keys are. These keys are mine. Second one: those are her glasses. Those glasses are. Those glasses are hers. Great job today! You've learned how to use these and those with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Remember to practice these structures in your conversations. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time!